Hello, in this video, we are going to go over how to configure your business and user profile in your Keap application. Join us. So when you first log into Keap and you are in your dashboard, where we're going to go is down to your profile button in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Once we click on that, we are going to then go to our settings, our gear shape. That's going to open up our menu where we have access to all the different settings inside of the Keap application. Where we're going to start off with is updating your user record. So we're going to use us as an example here. We go to the users, the fourth option from the top here. We click into that, and then we scroll down and we find our user in that list. When we click into the user's record, it's going to show us all of the information for that person. We want to make sure that up at the top, it's a picture of the person. The logo does not go into this spot. The logo goes into our business profile, where we're going to cover here in a moment. The opportunity that Keap wants here is that we would have a human face here that would resonate and emotionally connect with those contacts, with those leads, with those returning customers. They would see a familiar face here. As we scroll down, this would be your user's name. This is myself, Sergio. So that's why you're seeing our information here. And then we would want to put the title, head pharmacist, owner and founder of company, something like that. But we want a nice customer facing title here so that when they're receiving emails and communication from your Keap application, they once again get built in with that trust of your position, that respect of your guys' success. As you scroll down, these are going to be the phone numbers that we're going to be able to put into the signature block. We prefer to have the main pharmacy number here so that way we can reach back into it. That could also be the Keap phone number if you don't have a current phone system. That's what we would want to utilize here. And then we want to make sure that we put the pharmacy name and the pharmacy website here so that way it's all referenced inside of the signature block. The street address component here isn't super critical. You can leave that blank for right now because we are going to take that information and put it into the business profile that we're going to talk about next here. As you scroll down to the bottom, once your information's all good, you click on update and it will update your preview down here. It'll look really nice. It'll take all of those changes and make sure that it's displayed. You can always come back here and update this information. So if somebody gets a promotion or has a role change, or if the phone numbers change for the company, you can come back here and update this information at any point in time. All right, moving on. Let's talk about the business profile. So we hit the back button here to take us back to the main settings area, and we are now going to click on the business profile. When you open up the business profile, it's going to ask for your pharmacy name, what business type that you're in. It's going to ask for your generic intake email here. We don't necessarily want to put an employee's email here. The opportunities, we want to use something like an info at or an email address like that, where those kind of more generic inquiries can go into, opposed to going back to a pharmacist or somebody who's needs to do another role. Once again, the main corporate number, the main website, and this would be the physical address for the pharmacy is what we would put here. We want to make sure that we're not putting somebody's home address, that we are using the brick and mortar address here. As you scroll down, you'll see your zip code. We want to make sure that to localize that. So you click on use my location and it will update that depending where your app is at. At the bottom here, this is where we put your logo for the pharmacy. And this is going to be where it's going to come on all of our quotes, our invoices, landing pages, and emails everywhere. Awesome. We hope this made sense. If you have any questions about any of these data points, please reach out and let us know. Thank you so much.